Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list published on March 26, 2026, just yesterday. It introduces a powerful open source model and a new benchmark to tackle complex, real-world image degradations, successfully narrowing the performance gap with top-tier proprietary systems. The paper is titled RealRestorer, Towards Generalizable Real-World Image Restoration with Large-Scale Image Editing Models. And as we will see later, the zero-shot results on unseen degradations are really impressive, with significant implications for making robust computer vision more accessible to the open-source community. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. On Hugging Face, you can find the RealRestorer weights and degradation models. The page provides Python code to restore images with natural language prompts like, please deblur the image. Well, Figure 1 shows the impressive range of real-world degradations that RealRestorer can handle. We see clear improvements across several challenging tasks, like deblurring and moire pattern removal. It also effectively addresses other common issues, such as reflection removal, deflaring, and low-light enhancement. These examples highlight the model's versatility in dealing with the complex, multifaceted corruptions found in authentic photography. Okay. Figure 2 breaks down the large-scale synthetic degradation data pipeline, which trains the model to handle authentic photography. The schematic details how the authors generate 9 distinct types of complex corruptions. On the far left, adding realistic blur relies on clean video clips and vision language model filters. Further right, specialized techniques are applied, like light adjustment for low light conditions and depth prediction for atmospheric haze. By incorporating these granular models and web-style degradation processes that mimic online sharing artifacts, the pipeline narrows the gap between synthetic and real-world distributions. Alright, Figure 3 compares RealRestorer head-to-head with state-of-the-art image editing models across all 9 real-world degradations. The grid displays the degraded input on the far left, followed immediately by the results from RealRestorer, and then various alternatives. For complex issues like blur and flare, the authors point out that RealRestorer achieves visual quality comparable to the top-tier closed-source model, Nano Banana Pro, while maintaining strong structural fidelity. So, Table 1 breaks down the quantitative results across 5 specific tasks, including rain removal and deblurring. The evaluation relies on 3 main metrics. The restoration score measures degradation removal. The LPIPS metric checks for content preservation, and the final score combines both into an overall rating. Looking at the bottom row, RealRestorer achieves the top open-source final score in tasks like deblurring and low-light enhancement. These yellow highlights show it outperforms other open-source alternatives while staying highly competitive with leading closed-source systems. Table 2 continues the evaluation with 4 additional tasks, such as deflaring and moire pattern removal, while also presenting the overall average across all 9 degradation types. Focusing on the far right column, the numbers highlight the model's broad capabilities. RealRestorer achieves a final score of 0.146, which secures its first-place ranking among open-source models. This strong performance narrows the gap with the leading closed-source system, Nano Banana Pro, to a mere 0.007 points. Next, Figure 14 visualizes the impact of the different training strategies to confirm the necessity of the 2-stage approach. The second column reveals that models trained exclusively on synthetic data struggled to fully resolve complex real-world degradations. Conversely, the third column demonstrates that training solely on real-world data can lead to overfitting. This harms structural consistency by altering features like the woman's dress or incorrectly removing natural light sources. The final column shows the complete 2-stage method, which effectively balances strong restoration with reliable content preservation. Wrapping up, RealRestorer proves that combining a specialized 2-stage training strategy with high-quality data can successfully bridge the gap between open-source and proprietary image restoration. By releasing their model and the new benchmark, the authors provide a strong foundation for future research in generalizable image enhancement. That's it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.